Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing an unboxing. Okay, so I left my AirPods somewhere. I lost them. And so that kind of sucks when you lose your AirPods and you're like, "Oh, now I have to use the one with the string." Yeah, it's been that long since I've used it. The regular headphones. Oh my gosh, I have to use regular headphones. So I was looking at these for a little bit. I wasn't sure if I wanted to get another pair of AirPods, but the newer ones or these. And so since I've been working out or trying to work out, haven't really been getting a lot of workout time in with the baby and all, I decided to get the Beats. Which I'm super excited about. They just came. So let's talk about them. It says Powerbeats Pro will revolutionize the way you work out. Built for elite athletes, these totally wireless earphones have no wires to hold you back. I love that. I love the fact that they'll be able to go around my ears. And with the new colors, I was like, okay, I'm getting this. The adjustable secure fit ear hooks are customizable with multiple ear tip options for extended comfort and are made to stay in place no matter how hard you go, which is nice. These lightweight earphones are built for performance with a reinforced design for sweat and water resistance. That's good for me. So you can take your workouts to the next level. My husband hates it when I say this, but I totally sweat like a man. But I'm walking on an incline and 5 minutes in, 10 minutes in, I'm drenched. I'm just sweating so hard. So I like to say I sweat like a man. And so these will help that these won't give out. Sound like a pro. We listen to real athletes with the aim of designing wireless earphones that match their toughest workouts. Okay. Play both sides or just one at a time, left, right, or both. Enjoy ultimate control over your audio. Each earbud has full volume and track control, so you don't need your iPhone or other device to adjust your music. I love the fact that you don't have to. Sometimes that it did work, but when you were touching the AirPod and you touch twice and you touch once, or I like that these have actual buttons on there. And auto play pulse sensors know when the earbuds are in the ear, which I really like. And long hours of training, marathons, bring it. Just ask Siri. Wireless, that works. They have paragraphs and paragraphs in this. And the best part right now, they're on sale for $199.99, which it's $200. And they're retail for $249.99 or $250. Says up to 9 hours of listening time, more than 24 hours with the charging case. Yes, this is really exciting, and let's open it. Oh my gosh. So it comes like this. Ooh. Yeah. I'm super excited also because with the baby, we don't listen to TV or anything. She's right here, of course. We don't listen to TV out loud. So we have our AirPods in, one on my end. I have one in my ear. My husband has one in his ear. Hopefully, the Apple TV will allow you to put two Bluetooth, headsets, for their next round or something, because that would be great. But when those give out, okay, we're just out of luck. Instead, we now can use my charged up ones and just switch out when you're watching a long movie or what have you. So let's open it. Okay, they have this package pretty good. Now these come in all type of colors. They come in now. The new one is so it comes in ivory. It comes in moss. Comes in navy. The new colors are spring yellow, glacier blue. I got cloud pink. Lava red is the new color, and of course it comes in black. But sweetie, yeah. I always say on my channel how not a pink person I am, but with my new little girl, It seems like pink just calls my name. Oh, this is pretty. I love Apple's packaging. Like, this is soft. Yeah. Okay, let's open it. I'm so excited. Or as Kevin Hart would say, so excited. And, oh, okay. Ah. Ah. Okay, I like that. All right. The Beats logo. Oh, oops. Okay, so you just pull it up and it opens. Oh. Yes. Yes. Oh, okay. Let me see. Oh. Those are pretty. Okay, so you kind of just says to pair, keep earphones in case. Okay. And then to put back, I just take it out and it clicks right back in, which is nice. They said it comes with other. Oh, you open this up. And here's the USB and the other extra earphones, or I like to say just in case I lose some. Which I shouldn't, but yeah, these are different sizes. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, and it has the click button. It has the click button right there. Oh, this is so exciting. So, okay, I guess I just put it in my ear and put it over. Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's nice. Oh. Look at the pink. Oh. I probably need a smaller, probably need to put one of these smaller ones in, but I normally don't like it when it's fully in my ear. Like, I feel like my ear is clogged or something, so I probably will just keep the big one just because I like the way that it's kind of outside of my ear and not all the way in. That's just me though, preference. Oh, that looks so good. I love the pink. Ah! Okay, this is just an unboxing. I haven't tried them out yet. I was just really excited. You guys know when I get something new and I get excited about it, I'll do an unboxing for you. And I just, yeah, I want to pair these with my phone, with the Apple TV, everything. Yes. Oh, yeah. So this is the pink. If you guys were, or as they would call it, the cloud pink. If this was something the color you were looking at, wasn't sure how it looked in person or what have you. So yeah, I hope this helped you guys figure out if it's something that you're looking to purchase or not. I love it. Oh my gosh, it feels comfortable. It feels nice. I like it. I will see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Yeah, you like these? This is cute. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, you know what, guys? So on the end note, this came today. I bought this cute outfit. Isn't that so cute? It's lined and everything. This came today. I haven't done a video on baby clothing or nothing like that, but this is by Florence Eisman. So cute, right? Has a zipper in the back. Oh my gosh, this is really good quality. But yeah, I haven't done a video on baby clothing, but it's sitting right here, so I decided, hey, you guys can see it too. I got really excited about that too. Yeah, all right. Oh.